Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a voucher code or a gift card in Steam. So if you pick something up from the Walmart store or something like that, go to Steam right here in the upper left and go to Settings, then go to Account. And then under here, we can go to where it says Add Funds. You can add funds to your account under here. The minimum is $5, but if you look on the right side, there's an option, redeem a Steam gift card or a wallet code. Select this. Now go ahead and enter in the Steam wallet code right here, and you should be good to go. Then the account should be added to your balance. So if you pick one of these up, you should be good. You can go to see my details. Here's the wallet balance again, or you can go to add funds to your Steam wallet, your purchase history, etc. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.